In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your seed phrase on Coinbase wallet. A seed phrase, also called a recovery phrase, is the master key to your wallet. Anyone who has it can access your crypto, so treat it like cash and keep it completely private. I recommend doing this in a quiet, private place and avoiding screenshots or screen recordings while you follow along. Start by opening your Coinbase app on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load so everything on the home screen is up to date. If you're prompted to confirm you're on a trusted device or network, make sure you are before continuing. Next, log in with your account. Use your usual sign-in method and make sure you're entering your details in the official app. If you have biometric sign-in enabled, you may see a quick Face ID or fingerprint prompt here, which is normal. Once you're in, look down to the lower right corner of the screen and tap the wallet icon. This takes you to your wallet area. If you manage multiple wallets inside the app, you'll see them listed. Choose the wallet whose seed phrase you want to view, so the app knows exactly which recovery phrase to reveal. Because you're about to access highly sensitive information, the app will ask you to verify that it's really you. Complete the security check using your device's biometrics like Face ID or fingerprint, or enter your two-factor authentication code if that's how your account is secured. This extra step is there to prevent unauthorized access and is an important part of keeping your funds safe. After you verify, you'll see a prompt asking for permission to reveal your recovery phrase. Tap Allow to proceed. This confirmation is designed to make sure you understand you're about to view confidential information, and now you'll see it, your seed phrase displayed on screen. The words must be kept exactly in the order shown, with precise spelling. Avoid copying it into notes apps, chats, or email, and do not share it with anyone, including support agents. If you choose to back it up, use a secure offline method and store it somewhere only you can access. Keeping the phrase off the internet reduces the risk of theft. When you're done reviewing, leave the screen so your phrase isn't visible. Remember, the seed phrase is the only way to recover your wallet if you lose access, and the app cannot restore it for you if it's lost. To recap, open the app, sign in, tap the wallet icon at the lower right, choose your wallet, verify your identity, tap Allow, and you'll see your seed phrase. Stay safe and handle it with extreme care.